Hey all, so as you have seen in the last video, we had an app where we had to select this button here in order for the Flutter to choose whether we had to go to the home page or the introduction screen. So in this app, we are going to automate the process. To do so, here I have made a blank stateless widget, as you can see, nothing in the home. And in the screens folder, I have made two new screens, one home screen, which is a stateless widget, and an intro screen, which is a stateless widget too. Now, let's go to our main.dart and let's get the import for the shared preference, and let's make the two flags that we had before, so the getBool and the setBool. So the getBool, the code for the getBool is here, as you have done in the last video. Pretty easy. You instantiate the shared preference, and then you check the bool, and then you return it. And then you have to set a parameter here. So you initiate the shared preference and then you set the bool to be true. Now, with all of that, let's come to the body and we can do a future builder. A future builder is a method that depends on a future. So in the future builder, we can pass a future, and in our case, the future can be this get visit flag, right? So it will check for the visit flag and then it will do whatever it has to do depending on the result of the visit flag. Now, lastly, we need a builder. A builder takes two arguments, so a context and a snapshot. Now, what we can do is, if you think about it, if your code is actually running here, it means your app is already running, right? So after you get the bool, you can actually set the bool as well here. So for the first time you open up this app, it only gets the bool and gets false, so it will show you something. But that is also the time when you should set the bool, because it was already the first time, right? So what we can do is we can write here if snapshot dot data equals to true. We can return a const of home screen. Likewise, if it is already set it, we can only return a const of intro screen. So with that, this was it for the coding part. Now I'll pause the video and run the app, and I'll show you when it's done running. Alright, so the app is up and running now. Let's check what comes up here. We have the introduction screen here, and now let us restart the app to see what screen comes up. So restarting, and now we have the home screen. No matter how many times you keep restarting or you shut the app off, let's say we kill the app, turn it on again. You see, we still have the home screen. Why? Because the first time it gets the bool and it sees that it's a false. So there was never a visit before. Hence, it's returning us the intro screen. And then that is the same time when it starts building and it sets the flag to be true. So it only returns home screen thereafter. With all of that, that was it. I'll see you in the next one.